In this video, I'll tell you how to add a GPX file on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Also, I'm giving away this highly requested phase, so don't forget to check it out. A GPX file saves the map and route of your workout and gives you turn-by-turn navigation, even when there is no internet. Most of the people use it for hiking and reverse workout options. So to add a GPX file, first you need to complete a workout of the path that you're trying to make GPX file of. For example, I use my Galaxy Watch Ultra to start a running workout. Once my desired workout is complete, I will go to Samsung Health. Choose the workout from there. Like I'm picking up this running workout right here. Once you're on this page, tap on these three dots and choose Save Route. Name this route and save it on your Galaxy phone. On your Galaxy Watch, once again go to Exercises and swipe up. Scroll down and tap on Route. Now choose Add on Phone. On your Galaxy phone, it will open the folder where GPX files have been saved. Choose your saved GPX file and that's it. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section if you are using route tracking option on your Galaxy Watch or not. Now moving on to this design, that is D380 from Yosash watch faces. By default it has this orange color combination that matches with my Galaxy Watch Ultra. The AOD mode also looks amazing with orange color combination here. 3 subdials are present in the background that show steps, heart rate and battery percentage. Also you can add more shortcuts by tapping on these plus icons right here. So I can add any kind of shortcut or complication here on this watch face like this. Talking about customization, first you can change the subdial color. Many vibrant options are available here. Now you can see that color of those subdials are changing in the background. Let's choose this one. Then you can change the index color. Plus we can also change color combinations with those watch hands. Check it out from Google Play Store. Limited coupons are available. For that, just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. And that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.